Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean using a super underrated product, and that is going to be a brush. I'm going to actually clean this garlic press right here. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with a sponge, just get all that extra garlic on the edge out first. I just use some soap so that it won't smell. So I just kind of wipe it. As you can see, it's kind of hard and I can't get the rest of the grit out. So a brush is the best solution for this. I put a little water, a little bit of soap, and then I just rub, 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 and it pushes the pulp upwards. So then you just grab it with your fingers right here, and you just toss that. So go in with that brush. And this works really well for like a juicer or anything that you have holes like that with. It's a great cleaning little gadget that a lot of people don't use. And I have another video about like cleaning the carpet and stuff like that, and I use a brush as well. So go ahead and check out my other YouTube video, but see how easy that was to get all the pulp out. So hopefully you liked that. Hit the like button and subscribe for more.